Hey, do you ever get asked to cook chili for your office party? Or maybe it's a contest at your church or organization? I got a winner right here in this bowl. 3-time Chili Pepper Magazine #1. Stick with us and see how it's done. This chili recipe makes 2 pounds. You're gonna need a green bell pepper, a red bell pepper, an onion, and I like to throw in a jalapeno. So we're gonna cook 1 pound of ground beef, 1 pound of pork sausage on the flat top. I seasoned my flat top with bacon because it's bacon. I've had a few people ask me, why pork sausage? I mean, it's chili. The pork gives it a little sweet flavor, and I just think it adds to the chili flavor. This recipe is really flexible, so if you don't want to use beef and pork, you can use all beef, just pork. I've used elk, deer, moose. Moose was actually really good. The point is, you can use whatever meat you want to use. Just make sure you use 2 pounds. Okay, so the meat's on the flat top. We're just going to brown it off. Next step is to saute our vegetables over on the flat top. We just take our Drip Easy prep tub over there and roast them up. Veggies are all roasted up. We're going to put them in our batter mix and make a puree. After the veggies are done, it's time to add the beef broth. You need about 10 ounces beef broth and either 1 can of tomato sauce or 1 can of tomato soup. I like the sauce, so we just take those over and put them in our batter mix. The vegetables and the meat, they've been simmering for about an hour. Time to add the chili seasoning. This kit's all you need. You just dump it in, or if you want to use one of our larger jars, use 4 to 6 tablespoons. Chili's been simmering for another 30 minutes. It's ready, and man, does it smell good. Let me show you how we bring it all together and serve it. Question always comes up. Beans? No beans. Look, I don't make the rules, but I don't put any beans in my chili. This is Texas. So we're going to serve our chili 3 ways today. This is just straight out of the pot, straight up Texas chili. This is our Inferno chili. We added jalapenos and pepper sauce. And the third way down here in Texas is my personal favorite, Frito chili pie. We put Fritos, onions, and shredded cheese, and man, oh man, is it good. Now that's a good bowl of chili. You can buy the SuckleBusters chili products and all of our great items on our website below.